Welcome back everyone. I am back with another quick snack recipe which could be enjoyed for breakfast and perfect for kids' lunchbox and could also be enjoyed in the evening for that afternoon snack craving. We'll be making 3 different healthy and delicious sandwiches with lots of colorful vegetables. For making first sandwich, we'll chop and mix some veggies like capsicum, chopped or grated carrots, some sautéed mushrooms, boiled corns, finely chopped onion, a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, chili flakes, some oregano, and in the end, add some cheese for binding. Mix them together and on 2 slices of any bread of your choice, spread some pizza sauce and pile on the veggies onto the bread. Top up with some cheese and grill the sandwich in a preheated grill. Or if you don't have the grill, you can also make the sandwiches in the pan and press them down gently until they are light golden on both sides. Our first sandwich is ready. Slice it into half and enjoy. Now let's move on to our second recipe. We'll be making chili cheese sandwich. For this recipe, we'll need cottage cheese, finely sliced capsicum, some chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, a teaspoon of black pepper and cilantro, a teaspoon of ketchup and soy sauce, a tablespoon of chili sauce, a teaspoon of chili flakes, salt to taste. Mix everything together and for binding, add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Evenly spread all the veggies on the bread. And add some cheese on top. Then pop it into the preheated grill. And when done, slice it into half and enjoy chili cheese sandwiches. And this last one is my personal favorite and go-to recipe for whenever my kids are hungry and want something in under 5 minutes. So we'll be making guacamole sandwich. Eat them grilled or served cold. Everyone relishes this sandwich. Using a fork, mash the avocado in a bowl and add some spring onions and cilantro for fresh flavor, some roasted cumin, chili flakes, salt to taste, some lemon juice, and mix them together. That's it, our guacamole is ready. Spread it evenly on the slice of bread, and for some crunch, add lettuce. You can also toast it at this stage, but this time I am making it cold. Enjoy freshness in every bite, and let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. I hope you liked today's video. For more interesting recipes, please subscribe to my channel so you never miss any new recipe on my channel. Thanks for watching.